Good morning, guys. It is 4 in the morning. I'm dressed as cozy as a teddy bear, head to toe. And I'm getting ready to Uber to my best friend's house because we are going to Puerto Rico for 8 days for his birthday. So I will see you guys at the airport. In the Uber on the way to our Airbnb. And it feels so good outside.
It's so nice. Such a nice change from cold Maryland weather.
It was 15.
Maryland.
Yes. Yes.
It's not that cool. It's 20 something.
15.
It's 20 something. Not that cool. That's cold.
Fahrenheit, okay?
And tomorrow we expected 92.
Oh my god.
Oh, we're going to the beach.
Yes.
We're supposed to be going to Flamenco beach in Culebra. I've heard.
Yeah.
Very
Clear
excited.
water, white sand.
Yes.
Yeah.
One of the best beaches in the world.
Yeah, like a paradise.
Oh my gosh. Chef's kiss. Okay guys, so we are out, we are dressed properly, shorts are being worn, sunglasses are present, and we're just out kind of walking around our Airbnb, just gonna explore. Drinks were mentioned, somebody said
Cerveza.
something about cervezas. I too would much like some comida. You know what that means?
What'd you say?
Comida?
That's food.
Okay, do you know left and right?
No.
Left is a la izquierda,
A la izquierda.
and right is a la derecha.
Look at the Stop.
Guys, I'm about to, no, I'm not gonna run. You guys are getting ready to see, this is so pretty. Good morning, guys, or should I say buenos dias.
Buenos dias.
So we are currently in our Jeep.
Skirt, skirt. Skirt, skirt.
And disregard the hair, and if my eyelashes look crazy, shout out to Puerto Rico for being able to survive without power so often. Our power went out and it was still out, but regardless, made it work. I will fix my eyelashes if they look crazy, so don't come for me in the comments. So we're getting ready to go to the Ceiba, I believe is how you say it, ferry terminal, so we can go to Culebra and Flamenco Island today. So we're getting ready to drive this little Jeep on over. So very excited for a nice day in one of the top 10 beaches in the world. Okay guys, so we just arrived to the ferry terminal. We're quite early, but better late than never. Very gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous drive. I can't wait to show you guys. We drove past kind of like the outskirts of the rainforest area, and I can't wait to show it to you guys tomorrow. It was absolutely stunning, but we're getting ready to go figure out what we need to do with the ferry. Alex is back there waving. Figure out where we need to go and how we get over to the ferry. So very excited to spend a day in Flamenco Beach. not tipping 5 stars. So we're heading to Flamenco Beach, probably just to see what's there for a little bit, maybe tan a little bit and then get some grub because we're starving. But it's early, so not all the places are open yet. But this is like the cutest, little quaintest island. Like, guys, if I drop off the map, this is where I am. Restaurant called Dingy Dock. It's like 10 minutes away, so we're headed over there. Good thing to know if you're ever coming out here, the parking, you have to pay for it, but it's all day, and you also have to pay to enter the beach. But it's the most gorgeous beach, you guys. Like, the water feels amazing from the moment you get into it. Like, chef's kiss, because, and then it's so blue. You guys saw it, but like, absolutely gorgeous. Highly recommend spending the day here or just staying here, quite frankly. Like, such a low-key beach. I'm sure it gets crazy crowded on weekends, but to come on a weekday, absolutely gorgeous. Y'all, I'm about to try this crab cake. Y'all know I'm from Maryland, where we have the home of the crab cake, so it's gotta be a live taste test. They did this right. A little char at the top, right? So it's, oh yeah, I forgot. It's a little charred at the top, a little crispy at the bottom, soft on the inside. Girl, okay, with the slaw. Okay, y'all, I'm into it. I'm into it. It took me where I needed to go.
She did what needed to be done?
Absolutely.
Yeah, I'm gonna need more water because these wings spicy.
Gotta feed the fishies. Feed the bus boys.
They really eat chicken?
They eat anything you throw in the water except whatever that vegetable was.
What if they choke?
That's their business. No one told them to swim up here. Yup, told you. Clean it up. Clean it up.
Get it all. Get your money's worth.
Oh my God. We have had the most incredible day at Flamenco Beach. Gorgeous. To the Titanic. Copyright strike! It's so peaceful, it's so serene, mellow, relaxed. I don't see how anybody could come here and experience all this beauty that this island has to offer and be in a bad mood. Like, everybody who stays on the island or probably comes here a lot to work and stuff, they're so friendly, and it's gorgeous here. And this was the great first official day of our time here in Puerto Rico, so I'm excited. This is a great way to kick it off, I guess. So I'm excited to see what else the trip has in store. So I will see you guys tomorrow. Good morning, guys. guys, we are currently already well immersed in the Yunque forest. We are in the rainforest today, the only rainforest in the United States and North America, I think. And right now we are at La Coca Falls, which is one of the first kind of things to see when you come into the rainforest. And I'm getting ready to show it to you guys, but I'm looking at it right now and it's so beautiful.
Stunning.
It literally feels like Jurassic Park up here. Like, it's just the most amazing thing I've ever seen. But I'm gonna shut up so I can show you guys. You guys, this is literally one of the most beautiful things I've ever seen in my life. I've been to Niagara Falls and she don't got nothing on this. She doesn't. It's something about it being so immersed in this forest that it's just so much more beautiful than Niagara Falls, which is like, Niagara Falls is beautiful, of course, but when you think about it, it's so touristy, and this is, I mean, it's touristy as well, but it's very narrow roads, it's secluded, it's small, and it's gorgeous. But if you come here, definitely come here very, very early. We got here, we were kind of like the only car on the road, and I was like, are we going the right way? So definitely come here early so you can make sure you can get all your shots with this gorgeous, gorgeous waterfall. We're gonna go to the last thing that we're gonna see here. There's a ton of different like interest points and lookout points and things to see, but we're going up to Juan Diego Trail. You have to walk, or Juan Diego waterfall. To walk about 5 minutes or so up the trail, and it's a natural pool that you can get in and swim. So we're gonna go up there and check it out. It's giving beauty, it's giving nature, it's giving serene,
Aesthetic, all that.
Yep, all that,
all peaches and cream, applesauce.
all that. It's just so stunning here. Like, honestly, the whole time we've been in Puerto Rico, the whole trip is just so beautiful, so beautiful. Ready to go and zip line through the rainforest. See you guys in a sec. I can go. Yeah, I'll go.
Let's go. What?
So what's happening here?
That's a good question. Oh, we're going down like that?
Oh, it's really not that far.
Yeah, put the team on your back, Ann.
Rebecca, go this way. You wanna go first?
Did you say put the team on my back?
I sure did.
Hospitalized for carrying the whole team on my back.
Alright. So here, you need some more prosthetic pouch. Come on, squat down.
Wait, just here?
Yeah.
Okay.
What are you doing? I don't know, man. She told me she's a pro. She got this.
Yeah, I do this all the time on the weekends.
Yeah.
Hey, drop her.
After she's done with the beauty salon. Oh, but on this one, you're gonna go upside down.
I didn't sign that in the waiver, and I promise you I didn't.
You're gonna go upside down?
Nope.
Ah, damn it. Come on. Okay, that's loose. That nail screw is not supposed to be there.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, man. Yo, hay un tornillo aquí que se cayó. Es de aquí de la línea, right? It's a screw there. But should I send her or no?
Let's do it. If I die, I die.
She's gonna be on YouTube.
Alright, man, she didn't got you, so I'm gonna push you back.
I got it. Okay, guys, so we just finished ziplining maybe 10 minutes ago or so. It was crazy fun. And now we've just pulled up at Yunque Rainforest Park, and we're getting ready to grab some food, and then we're gonna do ATVs at 1:30. So that's gonna be super exciting. So see you guys soon.
This is for Rachel.
Guys, the ATVs was fun. What I do want to say is Yunque Rainforest Park has a lot, so I definitely recommend it. Horseback riding, go-karts, food, ATVs for your family. You know, they have the two-seater, four-seater, all that good stuff. But if you want to ride ATV, or let me not say, if you want to picture doing ATVs, I don't know if you guys know this, but a lot of places like horseback riding, surfing, a lot of places we'll let you just take a picture. And the common thing or the smart thing to do would just be to tip them. We were riding, which you guys probably saw in the video, with some girls in front of us who did not want to get dirty at all. And it's kind of like, well, actually there was a lot of people who didn't want to get dirty at all. And it's like, well, why did you do off-roading? Because that's what it is, you know? But I'm just saying, keep in mind that you're gonna get dirty. So don't be going slow because there's people behind you who actually want to do it. I'm trying to go fast. So there's a lot of good stuff to do in the Yunque Rainforest. For now, we're getting ready to go back. We've done our like full day activities, so now it's time to like get drunk and have a good time and eat our way through San Juan. So see you guys soon.